In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a business WhatsApp account. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to the App Store. And using the search box, you're just going to type in WhatsApp Business and hit search. Now, before you can start using your WhatsApp account for business, you first need to install the WhatsApp Business application. So I'm just going to click the download button here. Once the app is finished installing, click on open. And then as you can see, it will say, welcome to WhatsApp Business. So simply agree to the terms and conditions. And then you'll need to decide whether you want to use your current number for WhatsApp Business or you're going to use a different number entirely. Now, for me, I'm just going to use the same phone number that's linked to my current account. So I'm going to click the button at the bottom, and that's going to go ahead and link your current phone number to your business WhatsApp. Then decide whether you want WhatsApp Business access to your contacts on your phone. For now, I'm just going to press don't allow. Then from your business profile, you can add a profile picture by clicking on the camera icon, and you can either take a new photo or choose one from your camera roll. You can also give your account a name and select a business category. Once you've filled out all of these sections here, click on next. Decide whether to create a passkey to add an extra layer of security to your account. For now, I'm going to select not now, as we can always do this later on. You can also add an email account that will be linked to your business WhatsApp. Again, for now, I'm going to select not now. Then finally, you'll be able to access the WhatsApp for Business. Now, pretty much it's the same as the normal WhatsApp application. You have your chats in the bottom right-hand side, as well as your calls in the left-hand navigation. Now, the only real difference is this tools section in the middle here, and this is where you're able to manage all of your business settings. So, for example, I can click on a business form, and then from here, you're able to add an address, a website, business description, that kind of thing. It's also useful to add business hours, so you can add the opening hours for your business. And then if I come back over to the tools page, you can also do things like add a catalog. So if you're an e-com business, you can add all of your products and services here. And if we scroll down to the bottom, there's also some messaging tools. So this is where you can set up greeting messages and set up automated replies. Now this really all comes down to personal preference, so you'll need to go through these settings and find what works for you. But it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you set up a business WhatsApp account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.